Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to iron suit pants. First, ensure your ironing board is stable and your iron is filled with distilled water. Always check the care label on your suit pants to determine the correct iron temperature setting for the fabric. Before you begin, empty all pockets and turn the pants inside out. This protects the outer fabric from potential iron marks and helps you iron pockets more easily. Now let's tackle the pockets. Lay each pocket flat on the ironing board and press them smoothly. Once the pockets are done, move to the waistband. Carefully iron around the entire waistband, paying attention to pleats or darts. Work your way down to the top of the pants, around the zipper area. For wool or delicate fabrics, always use a pressing cloth to avoid creating a shiny finish. Next, lay one pant leg flat on the board, aligning the inseam and outseam perfectly. This creates a natural fold for your crease. Press firmly along this fold from the bottom to the top, creating a sharp, crisp crease. Be careful not to iron over any existing wrinkles. Once one leg is complete, carefully flip the pants and repeat the exact same process for the second pant leg, ensuring both creases are symmetrical. After ironing, immediately hang your suit pants on a proper hanger to maintain their shape and prevent new wrinkles from forming. It's crucial to let the pants cool down completely before wearing or storing them, as warm fabric is more prone to wrinkling. For those looking to streamline their daily routine, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description below for a link to these containers and other great deals to help simplify your life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.